So in this video, I'll show you step by step how you can start using ChatGPT and the new updates that come inside ChatGPT, which will really help you to use it in a very simplest way. So let us start with the part one. This video contains two parts. The first one is how to know to use ChatGPT. The second one is how you can use that knowledge and earn money with it. So we are starting with the part one. So how you can start using ChatGPT? You have two options. The first one is download the official app from App Store and make register, which you sign up with your Gmail, and you can start using it. The second one is on your smartphone or your PC, you can go to any browser and search ChatGPT, and you go to the official website and make register using your Gmail. So that's how you can access ChatGPT. So after you make register and you have access of it, so how you can use it? So the first thing which you can see is the place where you can write anything, which you can chat with ChatGPT. You can ask a question and it will answer you, or you can make prompts. Which is prompts? What is prompt? Prompt is the easiest way to get to give like any AI to understand what you are going to say to him, and he can give you a very excellent result. Write any questions, ChatGPT will give you an answer at that place. And also you have second option, which you can make live conversation with ChatGPT, and it will, when you are asking any question, it will live it will answer your questions.
I'm right here.
So
Just let me know what you
another
need.
option which you can use on ChatGPT is at the top corner of ChatGPT. After you click it, you will see like new chat. This means that's the place where you can chat with ChatGPT. The second one is images. In images, if you click it, you can get a pre-style images, which you can just click any style of image you see, and you can upload your photo, and your photo will be like that in a second. And the other option of creating a photo, also you can maybe upload your photo and make a prompt, and ChatGPT will turn that photo into it. For example, the simple prompt which you can give a ChatGPT. As you can see in this video, I am sitting and making video. So I can maybe screenshot of this video, and I can upload the photo and say ChatGPT make me stand instead of sitting, and it will generate that photo. So that is simple way how you can turn your photo into different style. So after that, you can also generate a photo without any uploading any files. And for the text to images, that means text images, you can write any things and ChatGPT can generate such photo for you. So that's how you can use images or creating images on ChatGPT. Other things is, as you can see, there is an apps option, which if you click apps, you can see GPTs, and also this you can access different applications like Canva and InVideo.ai and other. If you click search app, you can be able to use search app inside ChatGPT without going to open the official apps. So that's how you can use search app in ChatGPT. Another cool thing is to make a project, or to create a project. When you type project, you can write the name of your project, and ChatGPT can provide you all the necessary tools you want to make that project to life. So that all how you can use project in ChatGPT. So another cool thing is that at the place where you can write any question and ChatGPT will give you answer, you can also give a prompt, or you can ask ChatGPT to create an app, and it will give you a code which you can copy and paste inside browser or places which you can test the app, and also you can be able to make that app to be live. Also, you can use ChatGPT to create a website and so many different things. So that is how you can use ChatGPT. But another cool feature is creating video using ChatGPT. You have two options of creating video on ChatGPT. The first one is you can just ask ChatGPT to create a prompt that you can use to generate such video, and you can copy that prompt and go to any video generating app of website and paste it, and your video will be live. And another cool feature is if you want to specific ChatGPT official video generator to generate such a video, you can copy also such prompts inside the app if you are using a mobile, and go to any browser, whether on your smartphone or PC, and search Sora. If you search Sora, you can go there and make register and paste search prompt, and also this prompt will be like video which you want for your AI. So that's part one. Part two, how you can make money on ChatGPT. So you can monetize using ChatGPT. For example, if you are on YouTube or on Facebook, you can earn money through content creation. So you can ask ChatGPT to give you a viral idea for the Facebook post and generate you a photo, and you are good to go. You can make like very viral photo on Facebook, and you can be able to earn money through it, or you can get monetized on Facebook and you can start earning money with it. And also another cool feature, you can create a prompt using ChatGPT, and you can use like a Google View to generate like a overlay video on YouTube and make your video higher engaging and viral video, and you can earn huge money on YouTube. Another cool feature, you can ask ChatGPT to create a app which you can earn money with it, and also a website you can create it with ChatGPT and earn money with it. And also you can use ChatGPT to make work for someone and he can pay you. For example, you can use ChatGPT to create a logo, a business logo, and someone will pay you for creating such logo for him. And also you can do bunch of other things using ChatGPT. So for this video, this is the end. Please like this video, share it, friend and family, and subscribe for my video like this. Thank you. See you very soon.